नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। मैं सेल्फ जेविन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी and today's topic is chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll is a green pigment contain a porphyrin ring, and this ring are stable and ring shaped molecule. It has electrons and it has a free migration. The chlorophyll is a molecule that traps the most exclusive of all powers, and it is also known as a photoacceptor, and it is present in a chloroplast of the green plant, which makes it green. So here you can see this kind of biomaterial are present in a leaf, and it is responsible for the photosynthesis process. In this process, the pigment absorb the light and it transfer into the leaf or acceptor molecule, and it will convert into the carbohydrate and oxygen. So in next the photosystem, what happened in a photosystem, the antenna complex, which is a light harvested complex present, and it is present as a pigment in a molecule, and second is a reaction center. The reaction center is a one or more chlorophyll A molecules which passes the electron out from the photosystem. So in this photosystem, the reactant or antennas are combined and give the energy to the system. So the chlorophyll are commonly present in a three type: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll C. The chlorophyll A is present in all kind of algae and cyanobacteria, and which is responsible for photosynthesis. And chlorophyll B is present in a green algae, and it is slightly different from the other chlorophyll by the side chain of the chlorophyll, and absorb light and the wavelength. And chlorophyll C is found in the photosynthetic members. So this is the structure of chlorophyll. Consists of protoporphyrin ring, alcohol, and the Mg2 plus. You can see here the chlorophyll A converts into the chlorophyll B. There is just a slight difference of the side chain and of the functional group also. So the amino acid glutamic acid is converted to the 5-amino levanic acid, which is also known as ALA. This reaction is usual to the involves a covalent intermediate in which the glutamic acid is attached to transfer the RNA molecule. This one of the very small number of example in a biochemistry in which the RNA, tRNA is utilized in a process and other than the protein synthesis. Also, the 2 moles of ALA are then considered to the prophobilin PBG, which is ultimate form of the porphyrin ring in a chloroform. The next phase is assembly of the porphyrin structure from 4 members of PBG. This phase contains the 6 distinct enzymatic steps. So all these steps are up to the point and are the same for the synthesis of the both chlorophyll and the heme. But here the pathway of the branch, the fat molecule, depend on which metal is extracted from the center of the porphyrin. The magnesium is inserted by the enzyme called as a magnesium enzymes, and the addition of this step is needed to convert the molecule into the chlorophyll takes place. If the iron is inserted, the species ultimately become a heme. So the next phase, the chlorophyll biosynthesis pathway is the form of the 5th ring, like ring E, by the cyclization of the one of the porphyrin rings. So in this pathway, the double bond of the ring D using the NADPH, this process is driven by the light and it is carried out by an enzymes. which is known as a POR. So here is this biosynthesis of the biosynthesis of the chlorophyll. Here you can see that the glutamic acid converts into the 5-amino levulinic acid, which is ALN. It is converted into the 4-nitrogen PBG, and it will convert into the proto-4-pyridine 9, and it will convert further in the monovinyl protochlorophylidene A. Now in presence of the NADPH and under light, it will convert chlorophyll A, and it will also convert into the chlorophyll on the presence of the phytol tel chlorophyll A. So this is the structure of the chlorophyll A. So the synthesis of the chlorophyll can be controlled by the steps of AAL synthesis, which is included by the enzyme, or this enzyme AAL to the protoporphyrin are constitutive, and which is fairly regulate this kind of reaction. Thank you very much.